Hi everyone, welcome to Nursing 613, your final course in your master's program. This is your scholarly project. This is where we're building throughout your program, and you're going to showcase what you've learned and showcase that through your scholarly project. So this course is very individualized. There's not many folks in this course, so we can really work together basically on a one-to-one basis. So what we're going to do is actually just go through the course very quickly. We are going to look at the dates and the requirements for this course to make sure that you're on track, and the ultimate goal is to have you finished before you walk across that stage for graduation. So as we take a look at the course itself, we have, of course, my contact information underneath instructor. And then under the syllabus and important dates, you have a copy of the syllabus for this course, and it's a little different because this course is different. There aren't specific assignments. It's like a cumulative grade that you'll receive for this course. As we're moving through, there are some really important dates that you need to write on your calendars. And very shortly, you're going to have your first draft due, and that includes chapters 1 and chapters 2, and that's due on January 31st. Then your IRB form will be due February the 15th. Your chapter 3 and 4 draft will be due March the 20th, and that you will attach to your corrected chapter 1 and 2 draft. So this is a draft review process. I'll take a look at your chapters 1 and 2, give you feedback, make the corrections, and then you'll add chapter 3 and 4 to it. We'll look at the document in a holistic manner, and there may be some changes back in chapters 1 and 2 based on chapters 3 and 4. So just know that that happens, and this is a back and forth process. Your complete paper draft will be due on April the 1st. And then your final scholarly project will be due on May the 1st. And I want to remind you that we are actually going to be submitting your final within SafeAssign. So be very diligent about assuring that that all your sources are documented correctly, as well as if you've gathered information from any other course that you've done throughout your program. You need to let me know, because we want to avoid all aspects of self-plagiarism as well. So always keep that in mind and make sure that your citations are correct and accurate, and that if you're using some cumulative information, that we need to cite that appropriately as well. So with that being said, your graduate survey, which is an exciting thing, and your course evaluation is due on May the 1st. So as we move on to the course materials section, and this is where you'll find all the documents that you need to complete the work within this course. So we're starting out with the IRB form, and you'll be submitting that form to me before you submit it to IRB, because I work with you on making sure that you have everything in order as you submit to IRB. The scholarly project guide is here, as well as an informed consent sample form that you can use for your population that you're using in your scholarly project. And of course, the final paper rubric is here as well. So this is what your paper will be graded upon. And I want to emphasize that it's real important to keep on track with your due dates that we just went through, because if we're not consistent with those due dates, it will impact your final grade. So with that, that was the course materials. Now we're going to assignments, and there's submission links for all of your assignments with the due dates are listed as well. And then of course my virtual office hours, and if you need to reach me beyond virtual office hours, I know that you're busy, and just email me and I'll take care of whatever your needs would be, or find the person who can. So just know that my office hours are from 6 to 7 on Monday evenings. If that doesn't work for you, just let me know and we can set up a different time if you would like to meet. virtually or even face-to-face, that's fine. Then the next item is the Nursing Graduate Survey, and you will complete that. This is a SurveyMonkey, and I do ask that once you've completed your SurveyMonkey that you let me know that it's been completed. And following that, we have our library one-stop shop, and this is going to be extremely helpful to you as you're doing your research and developing your literature review, because remember, when you're doing your scholarly project, you're really looking at the literature to see what the appropriate action or evidence-based programming is for your particular area of focus. So it's not like you have the solution first and then find information about it. You really find the information in the literature to figure out how to implement and the program to implement for your particular topic. So just kind of keep that in mind. Basically the literature review is an assessment to see what's out there so that you can base your project on the most valid data that's available. So the only other thing I wanted to highlight with you is that you will have the course evaluation at the end of the course as well. So that will be due on May the 1st. So I really look forward to working with you as we progress in Nursing 613, and look forward to working with you on your projects. Let me know if I can help you in any way.